in a muscle.
What is that?
It's
Oh, we're back. The name of the game is word association, and the aim is to come up with a song that has the word that we're given in its lyrics within 10 seconds.
That's easy.
All right. The word being a random word that we're going to get from our producer, so we each get a chance to come up with a song for each word.
I need you as my backup singer right here, please.
Go look another backup singer, sir. I don't do backup for you.
Yeah.
If you want a supporting vocalist, I would help you, but I'm not a backup anything.
Try. Where Pink song again?
I'm not telling you. It's a competition.
I know it said try. Where Pink?
Wow.
Pink song. And
Can we
Tessa
get
did sing it to man. That's the only thing we know we try. Try, and try again. I can't remember how the song go. He's been supporting singer. Me 10 seconds now.
Just because you burn doesn't mean you're gonna cry. Gotta get up and try. Gotta get up.
All right, okay.
Yes,
I am the lead, not you. Next word.
That's my point. Oh.
Try a little 10 minutes.
If you try my love, try my love.
Yeah, but when you can't, when you say me try, when you can't tell me which
some
song.
example. All right.
Okay, all right.
What's the next word? You never ever go back. Could never. Okay, wow. La próxima palabra.
Oh, I'm dead.
Rain.
Yes,
just rain down on me.
What?
Let your love just fall like rain, just rain.
I don't know that tune. That can't work.
SWV.
Yeah, but I don't know it. You have to do one that I know. You have to do one that I know.
Oh, I wish it would rain. You must know that. Oh, I wish it would rain.
Yeah, that's right. Want the raindrops falling on my head.
Raindrops are falling on my head.
Yes, that is the rain.
That doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Cry is not for me.
All right,
No.
next one. Done. Here come the rain. I can't stand the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Rain music. Rain is falling, baby.
Okay.
We just wanted our own.
I can see clearly now the rain is gone. Okay, next word.
We have to do this?
Apparently it's a part of the show.
Next word.
Pour.
Well,
Papa and pour the same thing, right?
no, poor. Financially, I'm a poor.
Okay.
But when it comes to loving, I'm all right.
How about pour your love into me?
No, all right. Wait, no. We're going to do an original. We're going to do a pour my love into no, I don't see him pour that. No. We think that spell.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I agree with that. Anyway.
Man, I have to know that in this your time.
No.
Harrow, shame on you, Harrow. You don't know that.
No, I want to do an original.
Oh,
but
poor people fed up.
Poor people fed up. Yeah. But me want the original. I was born poor, and after 66 years, me still poor.
Don't say that. God will take away every single blessing.
No, man. Only think God is only no rate my God.
Money. See? Next. Money.
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 Done.
Money.
We're done. Money. Money. Abba.
Yo, Merital. Laugh off a bad mind.
What?
Okay, I would play
Yeah,
that song and give us the next. Yeah. What's the next word?
Wait, I think.
Please smile. Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at
First
Ooh, I met a girl this morning.
Her name was
She was so.
Smart.
I asked her where she from. She.
Jamaica.
Tell her I am.
Kingston 11, actually.
Jesus. That's how I can't wait to the sun.
Smile a while and give your face a rest. When I see you
So I
smile,
say
only
smile.
I smile.
Girl, smile.
Tell me that her name is Jamaica, and I said smile, girl smile, smile for me Jamaica, and I
That last tune is a bad tune, so you know. Oh God. Never you cry. You're
I mean, have the mic though. Oi, say mic.
Oh. Sorry.
Okay. Jamaica. Then we just say smile, Jamaica.
Jamaica, land of beauty. We promise faithfully. Not so?
No.
To serve you
Eternal
with
Father.
our talents and bring our gifts to
You're
thee.
not in front of the mic.
Jamaica, we will always, in honor of thy name, work steadfastly